Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's Friday. Happy Friday and happy weekend to everybody. Bitcoin is down a little bit right now. Miners are kind of mixed. Some were up today, some were down today. So we'll take a look at those. But as always, you guys know we'll take a look at Bitcoin chart. We'll take a look at Ethereum chart. We'll also take a look at the miners, see how they did today on the market. And that's it. We got a couple announcements from some of the miners, Sphere 3D, Bitfarms, Cleanspark, and Marathon about their financial reporting when they're going to do that. So we'll cover that. And that's it. Easy day. So, as always, you guys know the drill. Not financial advice. I'm investing in following coins and companies for full disclosure. Let's get into Bitcoin, and then we'll get into Ethereum and the miners and some of the news, and we'll be done. All right. So, obviously, Bitcoin right now is battling with that 23,800 line that we've drawn way in the past. That's kind of our support resistance line right now. It is at 23,755 right now. It's been battling that line all day today. It's kind of interesting to watch it. The good thing is RSI has been coming down while price has been holding steady, going up a little bit. Not much change there, but it's good news that the RSI has been coming down. So obviously we can see here where the price is at right now. Last time we were right around here, we were much higher on the RSI, which is obviously, like I said, a good sign, at least in the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart, we still don't have, we have a little bit of, I would say, a bullish sign a little bit. You can see here the price is up higher than what it was here, while RSI stayed flat. So that's leading me to believe that we might be heading into a little bit longer bullish trend here, possibly testing the 28,000 mark, and then after that, possibly going up to the 32,000 mark here, possibly. But we'll have to see, obviously, how that plays out. Because right now, we're not looking too overbought on the daily. 1 hour chart is also looking good as it's coming down on the RSI, so I'm thinking we might be looking good going that way. But we'll see. Ethereum, similar suit here. RSI is looking good. It's coming down. Price has been holding steady or going up a little bit. That is also a good sign here. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that it is also going up in price while the RSI has been coming down a little bit or even being flat. It's actually come down a little bit. So that's a good sign there for a little bit longer term possible rally here. But what we really want to see is obviously RSI come down on both of these a little bit more while price continues to go back up. So like I said, we'll have to monitor it. Ethereum right now is at 1,706, so it's down about 1% from yesterday. Bitcoin's down about 0.39% from yesterday. So we're actually having a down day compared to the last couple of days we were in the green for Ethereum, and for Bitcoin we were up at least 2 days. So a little bit of a relief, a little bit of selling pressure here on Friday. All right, let's take a look at the miners here really quick, and we'll go from there. So here we go. All right, so Annie was down, year to date, I want year to date, I want daily. So it was down today 0.69% to 65 cents. Then we got Argo. Argo was down 1.83% to 46 cents on the day. BitDigital was down 8.55% to $1.39. Bitfarms was down 0.68% to $1.46. Cleanspark was down 5% today, up a little bit in the after hours to $3.89. In the after hours, it's up to $4.27. That doesn't seem right. And Core Scientific was actually way up today, 16.74% to $2.51. So that's a good sign there. It's been going up here pretty well in the last couple of days, which is kind of good. Obviously, they had the news come out that they're expanding the 75 megawatts co-location. And you got DigiHost. DigiHost was pretty much flat today, $1.27. DMG was up 0.22% to 28 cents. Hive was up 8.41% to $4.51. That one's been going up pretty well as well. Then you got Hut 8, which was down 2.3% today to $2.12. Irish Energy was flat today at $3.97. And Luxfolio was up 4.11% to 10 cents. And then Marathon was down 1.59% to $12.99. And Moss Infrastructure was up 9.53% today to 92 cents. Riot was down 1.08% to $7.32. And Stronghold was up 2.03% today to $2.51. So obviously mixed bag on the miners, like I said. So let's take a look at the stories that we got here really quick, and we'll call it a day. This is going to be a really easy one. Not much going on. We're obviously waiting still for Luxfolio to provide information as far as their gym productions. They haven't done that. Tweeted at them yesterday. They haven't provided anything after that. So we got them to provide. We'll see if they provide anything. And then we also have, obviously, the month ending here with August 1st being in June, August 1st being on Monday. So then we'll get some new mining data for July from the miners. We'll see how they improved, how they didn't improve. We'll cover it obviously next week coming up here. All right, so Sphere 3D receives notice from NASDAQ. They are obviously under $1 here. They are right now at 66 cents roughly on the day, but they basically got a notice on it. So the company, let me see, the company's common stock will remain listed on the NASDAQ capital market. And at this time, the NASDAQ marketplace rules provide the company with 180 calendar days or until January 23rd to regain compliance, which requires that the bid price for the company's common stock close at or above $1 for a minimum of 10 consecutive days. The company may be eligible for additional time to demonstrate compliance if the company does not comply by the deadline. So they obviously have a long ways to go. I think by then they should be okay. I'm betting that Bitcoin will go up at least to close to 30,000, if not above it. This time around with the relief rally, we'll see if we can get any higher than that. But 30,000 is kind of where I'm looking at. And then we may come back down. So I think in that time frame, they might be able to get back up above that. They are obviously going to be at about 6 exahash future hash rate. So they still have a ways to go. And they're only at, I think, gosh, I'm going to say, I'm not going to say because I can't think of it from the top of my head here. But I know that they're only at a couple hundred petahash right now. So that's Sphere 3D. Cleanspark is to discuss fiscal third quarter 2022 financial results via webcast. And that is happening on, when is that happening on? August 9th, so that's a Tuesday. That's at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'm sure they're going to provide their financial results on that day as well and uncover it. So we'll be covering that as well, see how they did for the quarter, see how close I was to estimating as far as what they possibly have earned on it. And then we got also Marathon provided as well, that they are going to be doing theirs on August 8th, which is Monday at 4:30. So that'll be interesting to look at their numbers as well. I know they're going to be probably way down from where they were in the first quarter, as we've known that they've had issues with the Hardin facility in Montana, and they're way down in hash rate. And then we'll see actually if we can get any updates possibly next week from them as far as were they able to get any miners plugged in, energized, and ready to go through Compute North and that whole agreement where they have over 2 exahash ready to go. So that'll be interesting to find out on them. Bitfarms, same thing is going to be reporting on August 15th. They are going to be doing, obviously, let's see, fiscal year, second quarter. Management will host a conference call on Monday, August 15th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So they're going to be possibly doing the financial results the day prior, I'm guessing. Monday, I guess, before the market. Financial results on Monday, August 15th, before the market opens. So they're doing it before the stock market opens, before we start trading, and then they're doing the conference call at 11 a.m. So, like I said, easy day, not much going on. A couple of things we'll go over this weekend is obviously how did the miners do against Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin had a pretty good week. We'll see if we're in the green on it. I end mine always on Fridays, as the miners end on Fridays, so it's comparable to those. And then we'll see how the weekend progresses on as far as Bitcoin, whether Bitcoin goes down a little bit or if it goes up. So we'll take a look at that. So as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, helps me out tremendously. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Have a wonderful Friday night. I'm going to be going out here shortly with my kids, see a movie. So that'll be fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then.